again for everyone's sake.
Yes, please.
Amen.
Alright, well, I just need to pull my map.
Let's see.
Okay, 14 questions. Shouldn't be too long.
Not bad.
Alright. First one, true linear regression equation is y p0, p1, x. That those are unknown. What are the null and alternative hypotheses for B1?
Isn't it?
Equals and does not equal, right?
Yeah, equals and does not equal.
Yeah.
A residual.
I think that's the second one, the difference between an observed value and a predicted.
Regression line.
Yeah. Is that right?
The difference. Wait, for a residual? For the residual, my understanding is the difference between the observed y and the predicted regression.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So a plot of residual supports using linear regression when options. I would say when they look normally distributed with zero mean.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Residuals for the math self-efficacy data using software. Good.
Ugh.
Hate it when they do that.
I do too.
About it. So
It's like, I wish they would do it like they do on the exams, where they tell us beforehand.
Yeah.
That's going to be my gripe in the course survey.
Yeah.
okay. Alright, it's just loading up.
So now, just make sure I got this all right. For these tests, the male-female part of that data doesn't matter, right?
Right.
No.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
All right.
I'm gonna grab my charger real quick. I'll be back.
Should I sell them beans? Oh, never mind. Awkward. I'm pissed. I got out the first round.
Huh?
I got out the first round.
That sucks.
I was better than most of them. I'm gonna go up to him. I can't remember. The person who didn't get past the first round. Yeah, you suck. You suck.
Oh, he's mad.
I wish the camera was pointed down so we could see what was going on. Ah, there he is. There he is.
Venting right.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about your game.
No kidding.
Dance competition.
Competition.
Oh, dance competition. I'm sorry about your dance competition.
Okay, I got both 6 and 7.
All right, what did you get for those? I'm sorry.
Yeah, mine still.
I got the residual between -40 and 25,
Okay.
Okay.
and the Q plot saying about the residuals, they're fairly normal.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Then the scatter plot.
I'll take my cover off.
Oh.
A little bit. Oh, dance. That's how you can try to this bias.
Why? Why didn't you tell me this before?
Because I didn't know.
Did you guys get 8 yet?
I don't have anything. It's like,
Okay.
I
don't know.
either of you guys have an idea?
So I think, I mean, I could be wrong, but I think it's like 4 out of the 5.
Okay, which one is it not?
The x values are measured without error.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
I agree. 'Cause I wasn't sure on one of them. If you're saying that they're right, then
Yeah.
I'm totally with you.
Okay.
So, estimated slope.
I got 0.042. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
My apologies.
But yeah,
What'd you say, Trevor?
I said that's a low slope.
I know. That's what I was thinking. I mean, I don't know like how else to do it because I just put in the data.
Yeah. That's what I think.
So is that the B1 that you got?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 0.042, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Confidence interval.
What is our confidence interval supposed to be? Is it supposed to be at 95?
I would assume so.
Huh. Because I didn't get any of those numbers from our confidence interval.
I'm still trying. Okay. I didn't get any of those. Oh.
I got point.
10.708 and 14.742.
That's what you got?
Yeah, that's what my Excel
What
stuff.
does yours look like then? Because I didn't get any
Really?
of those.
Yeah, give me. My computer's being so slow. Okay, give me just like
Minus.
No worries. Let me make sure I've got all the data I need. Something's not adding up here.
Yeah, mine's not having up right either.
So we should have 139 down, right?
I'm double checking.
That's right.
Ugh, these Excel files go so slow. So slow.
Now, did you put the score or the confidence rating in A?
Let me double check. Yeah, so I switched them around.
Okay, yeah. Now I'm getting, okay. Now I got the right confidence interval.
If you go up the directions originally, the explanatory is the score. Confidence,
Oh,
yeah, or the other one is the response.
okay.
Actually, looking at that switched around, B1 should be 12.725.
12.725?
Yeah.
Good call.
Yeah.
No, we went down to look at stuff up on the beach, like the jet skis and stuff. Oh my god! You know what? I should probably go down there too because my kids were supposed to help. So I had Brandon.
What'd you say?
Are you guys alright with those two then? The 12.725?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
the confidence interval is the 10.708 one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that being as such, check the p-value, which on here is significantly higher. So you fail to reject because p-value.
I think the p-value is smaller, isn't it? Because it's e to the negative 24.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, so it's failed to reject or reject the null because it's less than, right?
Yep.
Gotcha.
That's what I was thinking anyway.
I gotcha. Okay, so frick, the interpretation.
I hate these.
So,
If you reject, it's sufficient.
say what?
If you reject, it's sufficient. I hate these.
Sufficient. That being the case, if you reject, you go with the alternative, which is not equal to. So there's sufficient evidence to conclude the slope not 0.
Okay.
It's not 0.
So sufficient, not 0. Right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, then I already looked this one up, and body length,
Body length is dependent. Okay.
I believe. Right, I think.
Yeah.
So since 99% confidence intervals for these data is 7.124 and 8.311, what can you say about beta 1?
It must be the second choice. The other two don't make sense to me.
Well, what's your second choice?
Interval.
There's a 99% chance the confidence interval will contain the true value of B1.
That's the only one that makes sense to me.
I'm weird about this one. I want to say it's the top one. The confidence interval does not contain 0.
Oh, I don't know.
That is true, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. I took no.
I love how no matter how many notes I take, there's always questions like this that have absolutely nothing to do with my notes.
I have like 3 pages of notes, and I'm like, where was that?
Pulling up the wiki. Because I remember something about confidence intervals and zeros or something of the sort.
Okay.
Hmm.
Definitely care. You don't biting yet? No, the osprey's working.
You're sunburnt.
Huh?
You're really sunburnt.
It's okay.
Yeah, so looking at all the interpretations of the confidence intervals on here, it's all about the slope relating to each other or confident that the length of this or whatever is between certain data. There isn't any intervals about containing true intervals because it's more comparisons on slope.
All right. That works for me.
So you're saying it's the first one then?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm down.
Yeah, me too. I'm over it.
All right, let's try it. It's right, but we still got one wrong.
Oh. Well, I don't know what we got wrong on it, but
Yeah, because it won't show us.
Yeah.
Not bad. I'm good with a 93.
yeah,
Yeah.
me too. All right.
Well, we'll figure out when to meet next.
All right.